Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to play three-string guitar. This easy method is fantastic for anyone starting their musical journey or looking for a simplified approach. We'll focus on the fundamental techniques that make playing accessible and enjoyable. You'll discover how to create rich sounds with just 3 strings, opening up a world of musical possibilities. Get ready to strum some tunes in no time. Let's get your 3-string guitar ready to play by tuning it. A common and easy tuning is GDG, which forms an open G chord. This means when you strum all 3 open strings, it sounds harmonious. You can use a free online tuner or a physical one to achieve precise pitch. Proper tuning is crucial for a pleasant sound and makes learning much more rewarding. Now, let's dive into playing some easy chords. With a 3-string guitar, you can form many chords using just 1 or 2 fingers. For example, pressing the 2nd string at the 2nd fret can create a new note within your open tuning. Experiment with different fret positions to hear how the sound changes. Remember to apply firm, consistent pressure to ensure each note rings out clearly. You're ready to play some simple songs. Begin by finding easy tunes that use only a few notes on your 3 strings. Focus on smooth transitions between your 1 and 2-finger chords. Practice different strumming patterns, like down, down, up, to build your rhythm. Consistent practice, even just 15 minutes each day, will significantly improve your playing and confidence.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.